Welcome back to See My Review. Today, I'm super excited because we're unboxing a very special pair of sneakers, the Nike Air Force 1 Low SP Billie Eilish in the mushroom colorway. Now, this isn't just any pair of kicks. This collab is turning heads and making waves in the sneaker world. So let's dive right into the box and see what makes these shoes so unique right out of the box. You can tell the sneaker is something different. The upper is this rich, earthy tan. Nike calls it mushroom, and it's made up of a patchwork of suede scraps and textile materials. It has that premium feel, but also that rugged, eco-conscious vibe that fits Billie Eilish's style perfectly. And the fact that it's part of Nike's Sustainable Build series? Even better, taking a closer look, the laces. If you're a sneaker enthusiast or fashion lover looking for high-quality footwear and trendy apparel, unbox.com is a must-visit destination. This online store has built a reputation for offering a wide range of stylish sneakers, from classic must-haves to the latest releases. Whether you're into iconic brands or exclusive designs, unbox ensures you get premium quality products without the hefty price tag. One of the standout features of this website is its affordable pricing. You don't have to break the bank to rock the freshest kicks. Plus, they prioritize authenticity, so you can shop with confidence knowing that every pair is crafted with top-tier materials and attention to detail. Shopping at unbox.com is a hassle-free experience thanks to their secure payment methods, ensuring that your transactions are safe and smooth. Their fast shipping means you won't have to wait long to unbox your new favorites, making it perfect for sneakerheads eager to get their hands on the latest drops. And if you ever have questions or concerns, their excellent customer service is always ready to assist, providing a seamless and satisfying shopping journey. Whether you're a collector, a casual wearer, or someone who loves staying ahead of fashion trends, unbox.com delivers on quality, affordability, and reliability. If you're looking for a go-to place for sneakers and fashion essentials, this site is definitely worth checking out. Eilish side by side, and that liner is made from recycled foam scraps, adding to the sustainability story. Everything from the tongue tag to the heel tab to the outsole stays within that clean, monochromatic mushroom tone. It's understated, yet bold. Let's talk comfort. These shoes come loaded with Nike signature air units, so you're getting that plush, responsive cushioning underfoot. Whether you're walking, skating, or just styling out on the street, these are going to feel great all day long. The